Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, in the last class, we have completed some of the book back exercises in the chapter Birbal's Khichdi, isn't it? So, today we are going to continue with that. Okay. So, we'll start with new words in the lesson. Okay. New words. First word is emperor. 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 Okay. The second word is coat. Coat. COURT. Coat. COURT. Coat. Okay. The third one is ministers. 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 The fourth one is pond. 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 The fifth one will be shivering. 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 The sixth word is reward. 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 The seventh one is warmth. 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 The eighth one is cheating. 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 The ninth word is messenger. 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 The last one, the 10th word is lit. 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 Okay. So go through all the 10 new words. Okay, learn and practice in your notebook. Okay, children? Yes. Next one is frame a sentence. So we are going to frame a sentence for the given words. Okay. The first word is shivering. The first word is shivering. So he was sick and shivering with cold. He was sick and shivering with cold. Okay, that is the sentence for the word shivering. Okay. The next one is reward. Reward. She deserved a reward for all of her hard work. She deserved a reward for all of her hard work. Okay. See the third one. Cheating. Cheating. So the sentence will be, he dishonored his team by cheating during the competition. He dishonored his team by cheating during the competition. Yes. So the next one is fill in the blanks with there is or there are. So when do we use the word there is? It is only for singular, isn't it? If there is only one thing, then we'll use the words there is. Yes. When do we use there are? If there are many things, that is more than one things, then we'll use there are. Okay. See, when there is only one thing, that is singular, then we say there is. Okay, when there is only one thing, that is singular. Only one thing means it is singular. We say there is. So more than one thing means it is plural. Yes. So when there are more than one thing, that is plural, we say there are. When there are more than one thing, we say there are. Okay. See, for example, there is a cherry on the cake. A cherry, isn't it? A cherry means only one cherry. So they have used there is, isn't it? See the second one. There are apples in the basket. There are apples in the basket. Apples. Apples is a plural, isn't it? There is more than one apple. So they have given there are. There are. Okay. So using that, we are going to fill these blanks. Okay. See the first sentence. Dash a fish in the bowl. Dash a fish in the bowl. So they have given a fish. A fish means only one fish, isn't it? So what we have to write? There is or there are? There is, isn't it? Because it is a singular. So we have to write there is. There is a fish in the bowl. Okay. So see the second sentence. Dash some sweets on the plate. Dash some sweets on the plate. So some sweets. It is singular or plural? So they have given some sweets. So it means it is plural. Yes. So we have to write there are. Yes. There are there are some sweets on the plate. Okay, there are some sweets on the plate. So if there is only one thing, then we have to write there is. Okay. If there are more than one thing, that is many things, then we have to write there are. Okay. So see the third sentence. Dash a cat on the table. Dash a cat on the table. A cat. They have given a cat. That means only one cat. So what we have to write? We have to write there is. Yes, there is a cat on the table. There is a cat on the table. So see the fourth sentence. Dash a dog on the sofa. Dash a dog on the sofa. So here also they have given a dog. It means only one dog. Yes. So here also we have to write there is. So there is a dog on the sofa. There is a dog on the sofa. So the next one, the fifth sentence is dash a big apple tree in my garden. Dash a big apple tree in my garden. So here also they have given a big apple tree. A means one. Isn't it? A means one. So what we have to write? We have to write there is. There is a big apple tree in my garden. Yes. Have you all understood, children? Yes. If there is only one thing, then we have to write there is. If there are many things, that is more than one thing, then we have to write there are. Okay. Yes. So we'll move on to the next one. See, complete this story with the help of the picture clues given. Complete this story with the help of this picture clues given. One has been done for you. So they have given clues like picture. Okay. So with that picture, we are going to complete the story. Okay. See the story. Once there was a dash. Mouse. So here they have given mouse picture, isn't it? So we have to write mouse here. Okay. They have given the clues in the form of picture. Okay. So using that clues, we are going to complete the story. Okay. So once there was a mouse, because they have given mouse picture as clue. So we have to write mouse in the blanks. Okay. So whenever he looked up at the dash. So what is this? It is a moon. It is the moon. So what we have to write here? Whenever he looked up at the moon. So here we have to write moon. Okay. So using that clues, we are going to complete the story. Yes, it is very easy, isn't it? Yes. So whenever he looked up at the moon, he thought it was a piece. It was a piece of. So whenever he looked up at the moon, he thought it was a piece of. What is this? Yes. So what the mouse liked the most? Cheese, isn't it? So it's a picture of cheese. So here we have to write cheese. So whenever he looked up at the moon, he thought it was a piece of cheese. Okay. Then continue. I wish I could reach the dash. So here they have given the picture. So you can take your book, children. Then it will be very clear for you. The picture will be clear for you. So take your book. So you can answer by seeing the picture. Okay. So have you all taken your books? Yes. Take chapter number 10, Birbal's Khichdi. That book back exercises will be there, isn't it? So have you all taken? Yes. So shall we continue? Yes. Because on seeing your book, the picture will be very clear for you. So you can easily answer. Yes. So shall we continue? Yes. So I wish I could reach the, it is a picture of moon, isn't it? So I wish I could reach the moon. So here we have to write moon. Said the, what is this? Said the mouse. Said the mouse. Yes. So next. I can help you. Said the, so what is the picture? This is a picture of giraffe, isn't it? So the mouse wish that it could reach the moon. So then giraffe said, I can help you. So I can help you, said the giraffe. Said the giraffe. The dash. Here it's a picture of giraffe, isn't it? So we have to write giraffe. The giraffe lifted the mouse with his, here they have given arrow, isn't it? What is this? This is the neck of giraffe, isn't it? So the giraffe lifted the mouse with his neck. With his neck. N-E-C-K. With his neck. Okay. The dash. So it's a picture of moon, isn't it? So here we have to write moon. So the moon was still too high. I can help, said the, here they have given new one, isn't it? What was that? What was there in the picture? I can help, said the, it is monkey, isn't it? So we have to write monkey here, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. So first the giraffe said, I can help you, and he lifted the mouse with his neck. So then also he couldn't reach the he couldn't reach the moon, isn't it? And they said the moon was still too high. Then the monkey came and the monkey said, I can help, isn't it? Then what the monkey did? The dash. What is this? Monkey. So we have to write monkey here. M-O-N-K-E-Y. The monkey swung the dash. It is the mouse, isn't it? So we have to write mouse here. The monkey swung the mouse. The monkey swung the mouse onto a, what is this? It's a picture of tree, isn't it? The monkey swung the mouse onto a tree. The monkey swung the mouse onto a tree. The dash, this moon, isn't it? The moon was still too high. So the monkey also tried, but they couldn't reach the moon. So they said the moon was still too high. See, another person will be coming. I can help, said the dash. What is this? A bird, isn't it? Said the bird. So we have to write here bird. I can help, said the bird. The dash. What is this? Bird, isn't it? So here we have to write bird. The bird flew with the mouse. The bird flew with the mouse into the dash. What is this? Sky. So the bird flew with the mouse into the sky. S-K-Y, sky. Okay, the bird flew with the mouse into the sky. But the dash, moon. But the moon was still too high. Sorry, we could not help, said the giraffe, isn't it? Said the, what is this? Giraffe. Giraffe, the bird. And the, what is this? Monkey, isn't it? And the monkey. It doesn't matter, said the, who's this? Mouse. So we have to write mouse here. Mouse. I don't want to go anywhere when I have friends like you, he said. So they said, the monkey, the bird and the giraffe said, sorry, we couldn't help you. But what did the mouse say? The mouse said, it doesn't matter. I don't want to go anywhere when I have friends like you. Okay, just like he said. So with that we have completed the story. Okay. Yes, next one is listen and order the sentences correctly. So they have given the jumbled sentences. So we are going to order the sentences correctly. Okay. So it's almost going to be a story. So first let's read all the sentences. Then we understand the story. Then we rearrange it. Okay. So first let's read all the sentences. See the first sentence. The man who has a straw in his beard has your ring. The man who has a straw in his beard has your ring. Second one. The man who had the emperor's ring was shocked. The man who had the emperor's ring was shocked. The third one. Birbal said, Your Majesty, the ring is here in this coat itself. Birbal said, Your Majesty, the ring is here in this coat itself. See the next one. One day, Akbar asked Birbal to help him find his lost ring. One day, Akbar asked Birbal to help him find his lost ring. The next one, Birbal told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. Birbal told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. The next sentence, Birbal said, "Do not worry, your majesty. I will find your ring right now." Birbal said, "Do not worry, your majesty. I will find your ring right now." So the next one, Akbar could not understand how Birbal caught the man. Akbar could not understand how Birbal caught the man. The next sentence will be, Birbal saw this and pointed towards the courtier. Birbal saw this and pointed towards the courtier. The next will, he said, "Please search this man. He has the emperor's ring." He said, "Please search this man. He has the emperor's ring." The next one, he moved his hand over his beard. He moved his hand over his beard. So, we have read all the sentences. So, can you understand any story? Yes. So one day, so let me tell you the story. Okay. So one day Akbar, the Emperor Akbar has lost his ring. So Akbar asked Birbal to help him to find his ring. Okay. Then Birbal said, "Don't worry, Majesty. I will find your ring right now." Okay. Then the Birbal think and told the emperor that your ring must be in the court itself. Okay, in the court itself. The man who has a straw in his beard has your ring. Okay, like that he told. Okay, so the man was shocked. The man who had the emperor's ring was shocked. Okay, and he moved his hand to his beard. So on seeing that, the Birbal caught him. Okay, and asked the people to search him because he has the emperor's ring. So he caught the thief. So Akbar got confused. How did the Birbal find out this guy? So then Birbal said, "A guilty person is always scared." Okay. So now shall we rearrange the sentences? Yes. So which will be the first sentence? So you can take your book and tell me which will be the first sentence. So one day Akbar asked Birbal to help him find his lost ring. Okay, it is the first sentence. And the next sentence will be, Birbal said, this will be the first one. The next sentence will be, Birbal said, "Do not worry, your majesty. I will find your ring right now." So this will be the second sentence. So what he told, after that the Birbal said, Your Majesty, the ring is here in this court itself. So the ring is here in this court itself. Okay. And after that what he told? The man who has a straw in his beard has your ring. The man who has a straw in his beard has your ring. So this will be the fourth sentence. So on saying this, the man who had the emperor's ring was shocked, isn't it? So the man who had the emperor's ring was shocked. So this will be the fifth sentence. Okay. He was shocked, and what he did after that? He moved his hand to his beard, isn't it? Where is the sentence? Yes. He moved his hand over his beard. Okay. So this will be the sixth sentence. So he checked whether he was having any straw on his beard. So to check, he moved his hand over his beard. So Birbal saw this and pointed towards the courtier. So Birbal saw his activity and pointed towards the courtier. So this will be the seventh sentence. And what he said, what the Birbal said? He said, please search this man. He has the emperor's ring. So this will be the eighth sentence. He said, please search this man. He has the emperor's ring. Okay. The next sentence will be, the emperor was shocked, isn't it? And could not understand how he caught the man, isn't it? So Akbar could not understand how Birbal caught the man. So this will be the ninth sentence. So for this question, Birbal answered how, what the trick he has used, isn't it? So this Birbal told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. So this will be the last sentence. Okay. Birbal told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. Okay. So whenever you rearrange the sentences, rearrange the jumbled sentences, first you read the sentences again and again. Then only you can understand the story or the message given in the sentences. Okay. First you understand what the message or what the story in the sentences. Then only you can rearrange the sentences in a correct way. Okay. So then only you can order the sentences correctly. So with that we have completed the chapter Birbal's Khichdi. Okay. So read the lesson again and again and go through all the book back exercises what I have taught today and yesterday. Okay. And please complete the worksheets what I have given you. Okay. So study well, children. Thank you.